Well, as I wrote in my recent newsletter, it's always a good thing for a pilot to always be learning something new, challenging yourself. So, the last few weeks I've been learning to fly tailwheel, tail dragger aircraft, a complete challenge. So we're heading off this morning to do a couple of hours to see how we go. You can come along for a fly if I can. Hope you enjoy the flight. Rugby traffic, Jabber 8606 departing upwind 19 on climb 2500 and tracking southwest, Murray Bridge. We have a little bit of very fine fog ahead, so we'll most probably sit on top of that. Already checked the weather, we know along the way that the fog is lifted, so it's just a small patch here, so we can climb above it. And there's the fog patches. Let's sit up here, no problem at all. These are views that only pilots get to see, and it's just such a joy to be up in a place like this today. Let's just shoot out here and have a look at the scenery over there. See the mountains in the distance, sitting on top of some 3,500. It's as smooth as glass up here. Only every day could be the same. And what a scene. And over there, edge there we see the coastline, so we know there's clearance ahead. Just sit up here and enjoy the ride. I encourage you, if you are a pilot, to think of about a challenge, something new to do. One of the things that I find, myself included, I find at times that I become complacent and tend not to step outside the comfort zone too much, but there are times when you need to really, as a pilot, increase your skills, improve your skills, and doing something different, flying a tail dragger, anything, flying a paraglider, anything at all that will help improve your skills can only be a good thing. Yes, it costs money, I know that, but at the end of the day, it's about enjoyment, but it's also about making sure that you're the best pilot you can possibly be. So I do encourage everybody to challenge themselves, and if you feel like it, feel uncomfortable about challenging yourselves, you haven't done stalled for in recent times, or you haven't done crosswind landings, that's often a big one for a lot of people, then again I encourage you to grab an instructor, spend half an hour, go out and practice those skills so that you're always flying confidently. Flying is such an inherently safe pursuit, but there are times when conditions change and you have to be ready to change with them. And that's what I'm doing today. Flying a tail dragger is a completely different beast. Up in the air it behaves exactly like any other aircraft, but on the ground or near the ground it behaves very differently. Over here on fuel pumps on, autopilot's off. Back to 80 to set the flaps.
There's no doubt about the outcome in his mind. Daddy, teach me to fly. How to be like you, master in the sky. I've been watching you forever, now I'd really like to try.
Full flap now.
Daddy, teach me to fly.
Fuel pump cover here.
She still thinks about her father, the man who gave her wings. Though he's gone, the memories make her
Speed back to
smile.
65, it's about right.
She's flying for a living now, she's where she wants to be, and has a little girl at home just turning 3. And she says, Mommy, teach me to fly.
Oops, a little too far.
How I want to be like you, a master in the sky. I've been watching you forever, now I'd really like to try. Mommy, teach me to fly. Oh, Mommy, teach me to fly.